what's down here. Hi guys, sorry about that to cut you off on the last video, so I'm going to use this as a part 2. So, but yeah, keep sharing, keep liking, subscribe. I'm not going to go up to them, so but I will zoom the camera. Get goat there, look. Look how cute that is. So, right. Babe, I'm going to go back inside the other side. So I'm trying not to get no one in. Anything I need to look at? Don't think there's out in here. Some more cuttings here. Babe, 1 minute.
Yeah, don't put your fingers in because they can check you.
So I don't want to get no one in this way. Just check down here. Heeley 64, Sheffield, that's where I am at the minute. Vegetable gardens. I don't think there's any more to see, I'll just go a little bit further down. So yeah, it's just gardens I think, so yeah. So yeah, I think that sums the farm I think, so yeah. I don't think it's a great deal much, but it might be a good hour out here. There's a gift shop and a cafe you can go in. But yeah, I'm going to end this live now, but please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and leave a comment. I'll sure to be answering some questions. Peace out, people.